Welcome to Lesson 4, Comparing Pictographs and Bar Graphs. In this lesson we're going to learn how pictographs and bar graphs are the same and what are some of their differences. Let's look at an example that we looked at a few lessons ago. In this example we took a survey in the class to find out what people's favorite type of music was. And here were the results that we quickly jotted down in a basic table. From there, we went and created this pictograph. So this pictograph shows the same information we just saw in our table. The key is very important to the pictograph. It shows us that our symbol here, the MP3 player, represents 2 students. So remembering that, we can see that for pop, there were 4 students that shows it as their favorite music. For rock, there were 2, 4, 6, and a half of a MP3 player means 1 extra person, so 6 plus 1 is 7. For hip hop, there were 9 people that chose it, for country 3, and for other 1. Now let's take a look at a bar graph that shows the same information. So here's the bar graph that shows us the favorite types of music. A bar graph, just like a pictograph, has to have a title, favorite types of music. But the main difference is that instead of using little symbols or pictures, we just use bars. So we have to have a scale on the side here on our vertical axis, and this scale tells us that it's the number of people. And so if 4 people chose pop as their favorite music, the bar has to go up to the number 4. For rock, 7 people chose it, so our bar goes up to 7. Hip hop, there were 9 people, so the bar goes up to 9. Country, 3 people, and other, only 1 person chose other. So you can see that the bar graph is showing us the same type of information as the pictograph. Maybe a little more accurately because it's really quick and easy to tell how many people chose each type of music, but you don't get the nice little symbols that give you a visual representation of the information. So here we have our pictograph and bar graph side by side, so we can see that they do look different. The appearance is different. But they both show the same information. One thing that's missing from pictograph is a scale with numbers. We always have that in a bar graph. If we take our pictograph and turn it sideways, you'll notice that the pictures roughly make the same shape as the bars do in the bar graph. If you were to outline that shape, it's roughly the same. So it's kind of like the pictures make bars themselves, but it's not really how long or high the bar is, it's how many symbols it has, and then you have to go look at the legend to calculate how many people each symbol represents. So that is lesson 4 about comparing pictographs and bar graphs. Have fun doing it yourself. Feel free to review the video if you need to.